Hi, I'm Adam Garcia, and I'm the foreman of Tap Dogs. Tap dancing it can't really be dated.
I'm Jesse Rasmussen, and I'm playing the rat.
It's such an intriguing form of dance because it's an instrument.
I'm Richie Miller, I'm playing the kid.
They've mostly done the show in other places in America or in Australia or touring around Europe.
I'm Matt Papper, and I'm playing the enforcer.
We wear big Blundstone boots, which are an Australian work boot. They're about 3 or 4 or maybe even 5 times heavier than a normal tap shoe. And once you get used to them, you can pretty much do anything you can do with a tap shoe.
I'm Dougie Mills, and I'm playing 2IC.
It is tiring, but it's so exhilarating at the same time that you don't feel tired when you're doing the show.
Hi, I'm Donovan Hellman. I play Funky.
It's, guys messing around, lots of silly jokes and lots of sweating. Tap Dogs is a dance show. It's like a ballet or a modern jazz contemporary piece, but with tap dancing. Essentially, it's about 6 guys who work on a construction site and about how their day goes. The show itself is 80 minutes long. There's no interval, so as soon as it starts, it sort of gets on its tracks and it takes off. The tap dancing isn't the sort of nice, gentle 42nd Street tapping. It's very technical, it's very fast, very complicated rhythmically, and it's quite loud. We have a set that moves quite a lot, and is really dynamic and spectacular. For at least the last 15 years, people have just always had an interest in watching very, very difficult technical tap put to rock and roll. It's quite a good combination.